Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something fun and practical: how to change the icon for an exe file in 2025. If you've ever looked at a boring default icon on your executable files and thought, "I wish I could spice that up," you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to ensure you don't miss a beat. First things first, why would you want to do this? Custom icons can make your software stand out, help with organization, or just add a personal touch to your apps. For 2025, we're assuming you're on a Windows system with the latest updates, as methods might vary slightly by OS. To get started, you'll need a free tool called Resource Hacker. Download and install it from a trusted source. Always be cautious with downloads to avoid any malware. Once that's ready, open Resource Hacker on your computer. Step 1. Locate the X file you want to modify. Right-click it, select Open With, and choose Resource Hacker. If it's not in the list, just open Resource Hacker first and go to File, Open, to select your X. Next, in Resource Hacker, navigate to the Icon group in the left panel. You'll see a list of resources. Look for the icon entries. Select the one you want to replace, then go to Action, Replace Icon. Browse for a new ICO file from your computer. Make sure it's in the correct format. ICO files work best. After selecting your new icon, hit Replace and save your changes. Resource Hacker will prompt you to compile a new version of the X. Save it as a new file to avoid overwriting the original, just in case something goes wrong. Finally, test your new X file. Double-click it, and voila! Your custom icon should appear. Remember, always back up your original files before making changes, as altering X's can sometimes cause issues if not done properly. There you have it. That's how you change an X icon in 2025. It's a quick way to personalize your setup and impress your friends. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.